Hello, we're gonna work a Y-Like-Turkey worksheet lesson 24 today. So, first of all, we'll list the possible outcomes for each experiment. So number 1 is the dice. And the possible outcomes for each one should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Because the dice always has 1 through 6. And this should be 1/6 chance for getting all of them. And number 2 is roulette, this wheel, and it should be also 1/6 chance to get either orange, red, yellow, green, blue, and purple. And number 3, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and there's 4 red, 2 blue, and 3 green. So it should be 2/9 chance to get blue, 4/9 chance to get red, and 3/9 chance, 3/9, which is equal to 1/3 chance to get green. Second section, tell whether each event is possible, certain, or impossible. So number 1 is if you add two one-digit numbers, the sum will be 19. This one, it should be impossible, because when you say if you add two one-digit number, even if you add 9 plus 9, which are the highest number for one-digit number, it's only 18. But it can be 19. So it's no. Rolling a 6-sided die and getting a 5 at least 5 times. This should be possible, because even though it's really rare for it to happen, technically, since it's 1/6 chance of getting 5 for each one, it should work at least, actually. Number 3, flipping a coin 100 times and getting at least 5 hats. Oh, certain. Because if you're flipping a coin 500 times, then technically you should get more than 5 hats. Depends on your luck though, but it should be certain to happen. And number 4 is a box containing 100 pennies. You choose a coin from the box, it is a penny. So 100 pennies and choose a coin from that is penny. Well, certain, because you have the 100 pennies in the box, so it should be a penny. Look at the line plot and answer the following questions. So 140s, 450s, 760s, and 170s. Tell what you would predict for the next day's temperature. For this one, I think the temperature should be 60s, because it's the most relevant one and the most frequent one that's happening. And what if temperatures for 7 days in a row were 46, 48, 52, 55, 46, 48, and 47? What temperature would you predict for the next day? I think it should be high 90s. Not 90s, high 40s. Because, well, when you add it up, it should, and divide by the number of it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? When you divide all the number, divide by 7, then it should be in some kind of high 40s. Because this one shows the average, right? So if you predict an average rate, it should be high 40s. And also, since you can see that it stayed from day days 5, it stayed from 46, 48, and then seventh day it was 47. So it's just pretty much they still stay in the 40s. So yeah. So technically assuming they won't change too much. And word problems. The cafeteria has 3 types of sandwiches and 3 types of desserts. Joan says she can only make 6 different combinations of sandwiches and desserts. Describe her error. Well, let's see. So it says 3 types of sandwiches and 3 types of desserts. Well, technically, so you have 3 here, right? And then you have 3 desserts. So when you're finding the actual combinations you can make, like all possible ones, you have to multiply it. So 3 times 3 is 9. But she only says we can only make 6 different combinations, so it's wrong. So what we can say is that she can actually make 9 different combinations. Not 6. Number 2, Caleb and Matthew play a pattern game. Caleb says 3 and Matthew says 12. Caleb says 5 and Matthew says 20. Caleb says 4 and Matthew says 12. What does Matthew say when Caleb says 7? Write a rule for the pattern. Well, let's see. So 3, 12. 5, 20. And 4, 12. So let's see. So what we can notice is that 3 times 12 is, 3 times 4 is 12. And 5 times 20 is 4. 4 times 12 is 3. So what I can predict for this one is that either the number 47 should be either 21 or 28, because I think it should be 4, 4, 3, 3, or it's meant to be 4, 4, 3, 4. But since it most likely happens for times 4 for the number, so it should be most likely 28. So 28. His number is most likely multiply of 4, multiplication of 4 of Caleb's number. And that's it. Thank you.